Yes, friends, welcome to the Bitcoin update video. Today, we will talk about how much price Bitcoin can go up in the coming days and what price ranges it can stay in when it receives any upside reactions or if it receives a downward reactions. Can it go below the 18,000 threshold? When we'll talk about this and we will examine the daily and 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. Let's see what results can come out for this. Who think long term between the daily and 4-hour charts? We will talk about all of them in detail in this video. If you are ready, let's start. First of all, I would like to state that this video isn't an investment advice. I'm just sharing my awareness with you. When we look at the daily chart of Bitcoin, one drop that started on August 13, find the bottom point on December 21st and starts to exit after that. In other words, there is a big drop in prices between 13 August and 21st September. It's already bottoming out on September 21st. As you can see, Bitcoin prices are starting to go out slowly after this range. It can be said that it is still in one exit. In other words, when we consider the bottom point on September 21st, there are decreases in price, but we can say that it is on the way out. When we look at the chart, we see that while the price of Bitcoin was $24,400 on August 13, this price fell to $18,500 on September 21st. In other words, the price of Bitcoin has decreased regularly in one period. Of course, whales don't stop. They are definitely not short of what they get. Thus high candle green prices. We can say that whales are trading in this direction, creating these high candles. Now let's look at the values shown by the indicators what they say. They think like us when we consider the volume. The volume of Bitcoin is quite high in the current decline. If we look at the Bollinger Bands, there is a slight distance between the bands, and prices have been hovering below the middle band for some time now. However, I can say that there won't be a very sharp upwards. When we look at the power index, there is a decrease in the chart, but it hasn't approached the 13% threshold, which we call a buy signal. So it would be useful to wait a little longer. MACD indicator, on the other hand, shows that there is a decrease in prices and will continue. When we consider the moving average, the prices have been moving in the same direction with the graph for a while. It gives the impression that there will be no sudden movement.